Hello and welcome to Pharmaceutical Inorganic Chemistry classes. So today we will discuss about history of your pharmacopoeia. The pharmacopoeia derived from the Greek words means the pharmakon means the drug and poems means the to make or to create means to prepare or to create the drug. The pharmacopoeia contain the identification of sample, preparation of your sample or preparation of compound or medicines. It is a legally binding collection of standard and quality specification for medicine used in country or region. The pharmacopoeia published by authority of government has released Indian pharmacopoeia. Okay, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare published the Indian pharmacopoeia, which contain the pharmaceutical description under the monographs. In pharmacopoeia, it is the complete description of specific pharmaceuticals for a specific drug, included chemical formula, molecular weight, atomic weight, definitions, content, category, dose, strength, solubility, identification test, essence, the limit of your impurity, quantities and condition for storage. Means the monograph contain complete description of your specific drug. Next, the appendices. It include the standard of apparatus, reagents, solution, indicator, reference substance, the calculation of result, techniques and procedure. Means the monograph contain the total description of your drug like molecular formula, molecular weight, their atomic weight, category, content, strength, dose, solubility, identification test, the limit of impurity of your drug, quantity and condition of storage of your drug. All description given into the monograph of your Indian pharmacopoeia or general pharmacopoeia. Next part is appendices. The next part of pharmacopoeia is appendices. So it contains the standard of apparatus, reagent, solution, indicator, reference substances, calculation of result and techniques used and procedure used for the performing practicals. Means appendices is a part in which apparatus are used or which the standard procedure of apparatus use are given, the reagent, how to prepare reagent, which reagent is suitable for which test, the solution, which solution or how the solution are prepared, all methods or all procedure, standard procedure given in appendices. Okay, so each country have its own pharmacopoeia. Each country have its own pharmacopoeia to use book of standard for the pharmaceutical preparation to use in individual country. Okay. For India, Indian pharmacopoeia is used. For British pharmacopoeia is used. And for United States, the United States pharmacopoeia is used. Okay. So every country has its own consideration of pharmaceutical preparation. That said, the standard and obligate in property for medicament and preparation in manufacturing drug. Why every country has its own pharmacopoeia? Because every country has its own consideration on pharmaceutical preparation. That said, the standard and obligation quality that indicate for the medicament, the raw material, medicament, raw material and preparation in manufacturing of drug. Okay, so today we will discuss about Indian pharmacopoeia, the history of Indian pharmacopoeia. So first British pharmacopoeia, so first in market the first British pharmacopoeia are come. So first British pharmacopoeia was published in 1864, including monograph on benzoic acid, tartaric acid, tannic acid, gallic acid, camphor, lactose, sucrose and alkaloid. Then the first US pharmacopoeia was released on 15th December 1820. The Indian Pharmacopoeia was started to establish in 1944 under the chairmanship of R. N. Chopra. Before the independence, the British Pharmacopoeia was employed as official book of standard in India. Okay, means before independence in India, the British Pharmacopoeia is officially used as an standard book for the pharmaceutical substances. The process of publishing Indian Pharmacopoeia will be started in 1944 under the chairmanship of your R. N. Chopra. The Government of India, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare published the Indian Pharmacopoeia based on recommendation of IP committee, means Indian Pharmacopoeia Committee. After the independence, the first edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia was published in 1955 under the chairmanship of Dr. B. N. Ghosh, and the supplement for the first edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia published in 1960. This contained both the supplement contained both Western and traditional drug. Then the second edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia was published in 1966 under the chairmanship of Dr. B. N. Mukherjee. Dr. B. Mukherjee with some modification means the second edition was published in 1966 under the Dr. Under the Dr. B. Mukherjee, and this edition have some modification, and the supplement was come in 1975. Then the growth and development of Indian pharma industry in 1917, the active pharmaceutical ingredient and dosage form produced, and for this rapid advance decide publish new edition of pharmacopoeia. Then after the 1975 or after the 1970, the development is rapid in pharma industry. So that's why the government decide to publish third edition of your Indian Pharmacopoeia. So third edition was come in 1985 under the chairmanship of Dr. Nityananda. This edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia consists of two supplements in the year 1989 and 1991. This edition, his supplement consists of number of new drug and introduce of herbal drug and traditional drug were limited. Then the next edition was published, the fourth edition. Okay. The fourth edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia was published in 1996 which consist of 3 supplement for further in supplement 2000, 2002 and 2005. In 2000 supplement, the veterinary product are included. In 2002 and 2005 supplement, the large number of antivirus and antiretroviral raw plants commonly used in making medicine product are included in these two supplements. After that, the IP committee, means Indian Pharmacopoeia Committee, decide to delete obsolete or less used product monograph and add new monographs on the basis of therapeutic merits, medicinal needs and extent of use in country. Then after that, the fifth edition was published. The fifth edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia was published in 2007. It contained dose, drug and formulation that cover the National Health Medicine Program and National Health Essential Medicine. It also contained the monograph on antiretroviral, anti-cancer, anti-tubercular and herbal drug. This edition also consists of biological monograph for research of vaccine and amino sera for human use. The blood product, biotechnology and veterinary preparation is also contained in 5th edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia. Other than that, the 72 new monographs, new drugs are added in 5th edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia. Then the next edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia come the 6th edition. The 6th edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia was published in 2010. It contained new monograph, revised appendices and other information have been published, and the supplement of 2010 edition is 2012. After that, the 6th edition, the 7th edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia come in 2014. The total monograph contained in 2014 edition is 2548 monographs and 577 new monographs are contained in 7th edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia. For the first time in this edition, 19 new pharmaceutical monographs is also included and one general chapter are introduced in Indian Pharmacopoeia 7th edition. Other than that, the veterinary product monograph are integral part of this edition. Then the use of chromatographic method has been greatly extended in 7th edition. Okay. Other than that, the pyrogen test is eliminated from the 7th edition and the UV spectroscopy or UV spectrophotometric test are introduced in the 7th edition. And the classical chemical test for the identification has been almost eliminated in the 7th edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia. Some monographs are omitted in 7th edition or more herbal drug monographs are included in 7th edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia. It also includes several new monographs that is not included in other pharmacopoeia of the world. Okay, so this is the feature of your 7th edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia. Okay. 7th edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia contains 2548 drugs. Then 577 is a new monograph or new drug added in 7th edition, and first time add 19 new pharmaceutical monographs in Indian Pharmacopoeia it also included one general chapter. Other than that, the veterinary product monograph is added in your 7th edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia. Then the pyrogen tests are eliminated and UV spectrophotometric tests are introduced in 7th edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia. Then the classical chemical test for the identification are eliminated, or some monographs are also omitted in your 7th edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia. Other than that, the more herbal drug are introduced or add in 7th edition of your Indian Pharmacopoeia. Okay, then next edition of your Indian Pharmacopoeia is 8th edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia, that is your latest edition of your Indian Pharmacopoeia. So this is all about history of your Indian Pharmacopoeia. Thank you.